Hello, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker and author. Friends, today I want to share with you some of the ways to quickly boost your energy level and motivation in the morning so that you can execute your task whole day with excitement, full of enthusiasm, with a bundle of energy. Friends, why it is necessary? It is necessary because if you are feeling low energy and if you are feeling less motivated, then even a small basic task will be considered as a major obstacle to be performed in the day. And for being successful in the life, your energy level, your motivation level should be at the peak so that you can perform throughout the day with enthusiasm, with positive mood, and full of excitement. So, dear friends, there are 7 steps, and you have to invest 45 minutes for this process. Number 1, rising with rising sun. And it is better if you rise 15 minutes earlier to the rising sun. My dear friends, some of the friends says that it is very difficult to rise in the morning, and it is very difficult for me to invest 45 minutes in the morning because I don't have the time. For them, it is my suggestion that in the short run, you just start getting up in the morning 45 minutes earlier than when you were getting up in your normal days. Suppose you were getting up in the morning 9 o'clock, then you get up 45 minutes earlier. If you were getting up 8 o'clock, then you start getting up 45 minutes earlier to 8 o'clock. Similarly, in the long run, you can do one thing. Every day, you reduce 5 minutes for getting up. Like way, in 12 days, what will happen? You will get up 1 hour earlier, and in the way, you will continue the same thing. You will find that within 2 to 3 months, we will have an habit to get up in the morning at the rising sun. So, my dear friends, the second point is very important point. It is to be silent for 2 minutes. After you get up, don't go to your mobile, no internet, no newspaper, no TV, no any other activities. By doing so, what will happen? Your mind, your brain, your sensing organs, your body, which is in the sleep mode, will come out from the sleep mode to the active mode. And that way, your mind and body will be in a rhythm form to get the things done in the morning in a nice way. So, first, be silent for 2 minutes after getting up. Number 2, second point is repeating positive affirmations. Positive affirmations means You can speak to yourself in a positive manner, like, I like myself, I respect myself, I love my work, I am the best at what I do, I can do anything, I can learn any skill which is required to do my job, which is required to achieve my goal, which is required to achieve my dream. I am confident enough, like this. By repeating this many times, not more than 3 minutes, then you will have a bundle of positive motivation in the morning, and you will train, you will convince your subconscious mind that you are ready to take up the challenges, to face the challenges throughout the day. So, number 1 is keeping silence for 2 minutes. Number 2 is positive affirmations for 3 minutes. Number 3 is visualization. My dear friends, visualizations means whatever affirmations you have told, you have spoken, just to visualize in a picture form. I mean to say, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to have, you visualize in a picture form, because your subconscious mind is only, it is accepting in the picture form, not in the words, not in the letters. It recognizes the pictures very fast. So, once your mind, your subconscious mind has accepted in the picture form, then it starts motivating you to achieve the things, it guides you to achieve the things in a nice manner. So, number 1 is getting up in the morning. Number 2 is silence. Number 3, positive affirmations. Number 4, visualization. Number 5 is exercise. Every day, at least for 20 minutes, you do some physical exercises, maybe the morning walk, maybe yoga, maybe pranayam, maybe some meditation. By doing the physical exercise, why it is required? Because it gives you physical energy, mental energy, so that you can be physically ready to do the work full of the day with excitement. So, you have to invest not more than 20 minutes in physical exercises. Then, number 6 is reading. Reading books, motivational books, or you can listen some motivational audio tapes. You can see some motivational video tapes. You can go on the YouTube. You can see some motivational YouTube videos. Like this, you are motivating yourself with positive attitudes. You are training your mind with positive attitudes. You are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn so many thoughts from the books. You are going to learn so many thoughts from the audio cassettes and the video cassettes, which will not only give you inputs for your knowledge, for boosting your motivation, for boosting your energy in the morning. So, my dear friends, 6th part is exercise, and then reading. So, my dear friends, next is last point is writing down some of your thoughts which you have collected throughout this process. There may be, you might have collected some thoughts, or some thoughts might have come in your mind which will help you to perform, to execute the work on the day in a very, very efficient and effective manner. Even some thoughts might have come in your mind which may change your life, because if you are allowing these thoughts to go in the air, then after some time you will not able to retrace those thoughts. That's why it's better to write down these thoughts in some journal, in some diary, and it will help you in the later on. So, my dear friends, number 1, getting up in the morning. Number 2, silence for 2 minutes. Number 3, positive affirmations for 3 minutes. Number 4, visualization for 5 minutes. Number 5, exercise for 20 minutes. Number 6, reading, listening of motivational books, audio cassettes, etc. for hardly 10 minutes, and then writing down some positive thoughts which you have got it immersed during the period, not more than 5 minutes. So, total you will have to invest only 45 minutes, and these 45 minutes will boost your energy, enhance your motivation, and it will make you ready for the day to perform in an efficient and effective manner. My dear friends, if you find this video and these ways and steps useful and valuable for you, I request you to like it, to share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe it. I thank you for hearing me patiently. My dear friends, very soon, within a day or two, I am going to release the Hindi version of the same topic, and my next fresh video I am going to release, that is on don't procrastinate, please execute. On this topic, I mean to say, no procrastination, only execution. So, you will be getting my new video very soon. Once again, thank you very much, and I feel that you are going to move in the new journey of your life. जो सफ़र इख्तियार करते हैं वही मंजिलों को पार करते हैं. So, my dear friends, I'm expecting your comments on this video, so that I can share with you later on with your opinions and my opinions, and we'll have a continue our relationship in sharing the ideas in the long run. Thank you very much.